Listening for beginners.
Renting an apartment.
This is a beautiful apartment. I've looked for one like this since I got married.
Well, in that case you had better hurry, because I have rented 2 apartments in this building today, and this is the last one.
What about the neighbors? Are they quiet?
I've lived in this building for 18 years, and I've never received any complaint.
How much is the rent?
$1,100.
Is that final?
I can lower it to $1,000. Do you want to take it?
I would like to discuss it with my wife.
Don't you like it?
No, that's not the reason. I love the apartment, but my wife has lived in the same house since she was 10 years old. It won't be easy to convince her.
I understand. I'm going to give you my phone number.
Perfect. I'll call you when we decide.